we are going to unbox the Careeach HR fitness tracker. Let's take the tracker out of the box. So inside the box there's a tracker as well as a user manual. So this is a tracker. Let's remove the sticker, and we need to remove this from the strap. Let's unhook it from the strap. And the first thing you'll notice is that there is a USB sign over here. This indicates that we can charge it using the USB. So in order to charge, we need to pull it out. So it's a little bit tough. Okay, this is how it looks like when you pull it out. Now, the recommendation is to charge it using a power bank, and we would recommend that you charge it using the low ampere, which is 1 ampere or less, as 2.1 may actually damage the tracker. So we're going to use the 1 ampere charging port on the power bank to charge this tracker. So the contacts is behind, so we need to put it this way. There's a vibration, and you can see that the tracker is charging. While the tracker is charging, let's take a look at the user manual. So for getting started, it says to press and hold at the touch key zone for about 8 seconds to power up the tracker. So let's do that. This is the touch zone. We're going to touch and hold it, and you can see that it's loading. So after about 8 seconds, you can see that it has powered up, and you can toggle between the different modes. Okay, currently the time and the date is not set, primarily because you need to download the Healthy 365 apps and pair it with your phone in order to get the correct timing. Alright, so let's leave it for charging. And over here we need to join the challenge on the Healthy 365 and instructions on how to pair. And of course the date and time. So to power off, we need to hold for 4 seconds at the touch zone on the user interface. So basically we need to go to the firmware and touch for about 4 seconds, and there's a question to power off. You select yes and hold it there, and there's a vibration and the tracker is now powered off. There's a limited product warranty where you can call the support hotline or email. So the warranty is for a period of 1 year. Okay, the tracker is water resistant, is able to withstand splashes but do not swim with it. And over here it shows how to charge the battery. Basically it's telling us that you can charge it for about 2 hours, so do not leave it charging overnight, as that may shorten the battery life. So basically I think this is the operations on the tracker itself. So we will need to start up our Healthy 365 apps. If you have not downloaded the apps, then you will need to download it from the Play Store. So it's telling us that we have no steps recorded, so we'll just ignore that message. And the first thing is that you need to do a health declaration. So go through the questions and answer no to all the above questions. So basically, if you have any yes, then you may need to consult your doctor. So let's select no and confirm. So we have done our health declaration, and this is the dashboard for the National Steps Challenge Season 4. Basically, we'll go straight to the apps. So the current season wearables are the Careeach HR, which is our tracker. It's currently paired with the old Tempo HR tracker. So we're going to select the Careeach HR, and it's asking us to sync your steps. So we have not had any steps, so we'll just select yes to change your tracking mode. So yes, detected our tracker, so we'll select it. So we have successfully paired our tracker.